Oh, y'all know how to make salt and pepper wings? We can make that. These are my first time trying these wings, and trust me, I don't regret it, y'all. Look, let me show y'all the recipe. Trust me, y'all gotta try these. So first, I cleaned some chicken, right? Cleaned it with like lemon and lime. Then I hit it with some salt, some pepper, and some garlic. This Kinder's mix was definitely it. I definitely recommend. Also hit it with some ginger powder. You could use like fresh ginger if you want, but ginger powder's gonna do the job. Smoked paprika. I had to hit it with a little bit of chicken bouillon, and I hit it with some graza olive oil, and also hit it with a little bit of Xinjiang wine, however you say that. You know what I'm saying? Then you just mix everything in, massage everything in, deep tissue massage, y'all. Don't be scared, man. These wings is here to feed you, so you gotta feed it with some good massage. You know what I'm saying? So look, after we massage these things, we're going to get the smoke on 275, right? Get it hot. Then we're going to place these wings on here one by one. You know what I'm saying? We're going to lay them down nice and neat. You know what I'm saying? Nice and neat. Then we're going to close that thing. So boom. We're going to hit these things for about an hour and 30 minutes. We're going to flip them every 30 minutes, right? Yeah, they look a little bit light-skinned right now, but trust the process, right? Now look. At the last 30 minutes, we're going to throw it on 300. You feel me? See that thing falling off the bone already, you know what I'm saying? It's already looking good. So last 30 minutes, hit it on 300. And then we're going to hit it on like 400 for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Y'all going to see. I'm saying trust the process. Y'all see them things looking brown like me already. You see that right there? Ooh, wait. I mean, we trying to achieve the crispiness because this recipe usually is fried. So look, now we're going to make the seasoning. 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of black pepper. Mix that up. Ooh, you see that right there? Now, get back to the wings, right? Now, I'm going to take these off the top because these is done for sure. Now, I'm about to put this on 400 for about 10, 20 minutes. And y'all going to see, I'm going to flip them first. And y'all going to see what I'm talking about. Ooh-wee. Oh, y'all see that right there? That's my wing right there. All right, so after we done flipping everything, we're going to close the smoker, work on that onion, jalapeno, hit it with some graza, hit your onions, hit your jalapenos. You could keep them big, but, you know, I dice mine up. I like that flavor in there. You see that right there? Looking brown like me. You hear that? Them things is crispy. Now, look, dump everything back in with everything. Ooh-wee. Shake it up. Then we're going to throw our seasoning on there. You feel me? Incorporate everything. Look at that right there. Ooh-wee. Once you do that a few times, everything's all in. Sauce is all in. You're good to go. Look at that right there. Ooh-wee. Salt and pepper wings, y'all. Oh, my. Don't tell me I ain't told you so. Now you know how to make it. Go in your kitchen and go make it. And throw some more seasoning on there if you ain't throw enough. And that's it, y'all. I'm going to see y'all on the next recipe. For more recipes like this, hit the link in the cookbook. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. I'm outie.